Tariffs have become a hot topic in US presidential elections, especially with Donald Trump making them a key part of his campaign. Now that Trump has won the election, he is launching a grand tariff plan that doesn't just target China, but also hits close neighbors like Canada and Mexico. But do tariffs actually benefit the US? Let's dive into the economics and find out. First, take a historic look. The Republican Party was once strongly pro tariff, dating back to Abraham Lincoln. In the 1920s and 30s, Republicans passed record high tariffs, which many blamed for worsening the Great Depression. Fast forward to 2016, Trump made tariffs a central part of his campaign, promising to renegotiate trade deals to put America first. During his first term, Trump imposed sweeping tariffs on China and other countries. In 2018, he slapped tariffs on solar panels, washing machines, steel, and aluminium. These tariffs covered about 4.1% of US imports. But here's the twist: China retaliated with their own tariffs, targeting US agriculture exports like soybeans and pork. This hurt American farmers, costing them billions of dollars in lost revenue. To help farmers, the US government paid out $61 billion in compensation from 2018 to 2020. That almost cancelled out $66 billion the government collected from tariffs on Chinese goods. So while tariffs generate revenue, retaliation can offset those gains. Under Biden, tariffs have been more targeted. For example, the Biden administration placed tariffs on Chinese electric vehicles, solar panels, chips, and batteries. This was done after the US made big investments in these industries at home. But Trump's new plan is much broader. He wants tariffs on almost all imports, especially from major trading partners. Here's the problem: tariffs often lead to higher prices for consumers. During Trump's first term, his tariffs on China cost American families nearly $80 billion. And guess what? Tariffs are regressive. They hit middle and lower income families harder than the wealthy. So while the government gets tax revenue, everyday Americans pay the price. So why is Trump so serious about tariffs if they have downsides? Well, tariffs can protect key industries, especially those tied to national security. They also encourage local production by making foreign goods more expensive. This can help US industries grow and create jobs. But here's the catch: tariffs alone do not guarantee new factories or more jobs. Plus, many US manufacturers rely on imported materials, so their costs go up too. Tariffs cut overall benefits but give the government tax money. Tax comes from higher prices, which reduce consumers' buying power. On the other hand, tariffs can lower demand for foreign goods and boost local production. They can also help control inflation by reducing imports. But the big question is, do the benefits outweigh the costs? At the end of the discussion, tariffs are a double-edged sword. They can protect industries and generate revenue, but they also raise costs for consumers and businesses. Whether Trump's grand tariff plan will benefit the US in the long run is still up to debate. Economics is tricky. No one knows exactly what will happen over time. But one thing's for sure, this debate is not going away anytime soon. If you found this video informative, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.